See you, thank you. So we've arrived at the pier. So 10-minute drive with a taxi. Coffees and stuff. Really excited for this one. I think we're on one of these Similan Islands. Oh. We're up.
Everybody! Hey! 1, 2, 3.
Way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. High, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do. Someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dream that you did to oh why can't I? Trees of green and red roses too. I watched them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself.
This is island number 1 on the Similan Island. I think this one's called Princess Island because the Princess of Thailand stays here once a year. See why, like. I think the next one we're doing some snorkeling, so that should be good. But this is breathtaking, like. It's absolutely beautiful, man. if the camera's going to do it any justice, like, but it doesn't get much better than this.
Swam water for time, searching places to find a piece of something to call mine. A piece of something to call mine. Coming closer to you. Red alignment and more.
Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea. Under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day. Out in the sun, they slave away. While we're devoting full time to floating under the sea. Down here on the fish is happy, as after the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy, they shot 'cause they in the bowl. But fish in the bowl is lucky, they in for a worse fate. One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you gonna be on the plate. But oh, under the sea, nobody beat us, fry us, and eat us in fricassee. We what the land folks loves to cook. Under the sea we have to hook up. We got no troubles, life is the bubbles under the sea. Under the sea. Since life is sweet here, we got to be here naturally. Even the sturgeon and the ray, they did the earth and start to play. We got the spirit, you got to hear it under the sea. The lute play, the flute, the cop play, the harp, the players play the bass.
Day to find you shying away. I'll be coming for your love, okay? Take on me, take on me, take on me. It's no better to be safe than sorry. Take on me.
So I'm going to try and get up to that viewpoint up there. Cramp in my foot. Cramp.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy. In every life we have some trouble. But when you worry, you make it double. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy now. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy.
Going even higher.
Don't worry.
Bit rough on the old bare feet,
Be
mate.
happy. Don't worry, be happy. Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed. Don't worry. Be happy. The landlord say your rent is late. He may have to litigate. Don't worry. Be happy. Look at me, I'm happy. Don't worry. Be happy. I give you my phone number. When you worry, call me. I make you happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Ain't got no cash, ain't got no style, ain't got no gal to make you smile. But don't worry. Be happy. Cause when you worry, your face will